Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dr Squish is probably one of the most exciting and creative DIY toy-making machines on the market. In this video, we'll explore its features, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right addition to your crafting arsenal. We'll put it through its paces, testing its capabilities and showing you exactly what you can create with this innovative device, from adorable cartoon characters to realistic food replicas. Number 5. Original Stationery Slime Kit. Looking for a fun and creative activity? This DIY slime kit provides hours of entertainment for kids. They can make butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, all without screens. With 31 fun pieces, this kit has everything you need to create amazing slimes. It's the perfect gift for creative kids aged 7 and up, offering endless fun and imaginative play. This kit lets you craft, squish, and shape your slime creations. Add sprinkles to make cute ice cream cone slimes. The possibilities are endless. Make slime in your favorite ice cream colors and scents. It's a fun and relaxing activity that sparks creativity and imagination. Don't forget the cherry on top. This kit includes easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions, making slime making simple and enjoyable for kids aged 7 to 12. Get ready for creative fun. What we like? It's an ice cream-themed kit with everything you need to make different types of slime. If you're looking for a fun, creative activity for kids, this is perfect. It includes easy-to-follow instructions, making it ideal for younger crafters. What people say? The ice cream slime kit is an absolute hit. It's packed with everything needed to create butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slimes, all with an adorable ice cream theme. The instructions are easy to follow, and the variety of colors, textures, and scents make it an incredibly fun and creative activity. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. Each type of slime has its own texture and feel, making it fun for kids to experiment and see the different results. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Everything is well organized and separated into individual bags, so there's no guesswork in terms of what goes with what. The kit comes with everything needed to make the slimes, including colorants, foam beads, and scent options. Number 4. LENYOQIN Kawaii Squishies Toy Pack. This pack contains 100 adorable squishy toys in various animal and fruit shapes. They're soft, fun, and perfect for kids of all ages. These squishies are made from high-quality, non-toxic, and latex-free TPR material. They can withstand lots of squeezing and are safe for kids. They make fantastic party favors, stocking stuffers, or even classroom prizes. These versatile toys are great for any occasion. Simply rinse them with soap and water if they get dirty. They're easy to clean and maintain their shape. These cute squishies help stimulate a child's imagination and improve hand dexterity. Kids and adults alike will love squeezing them. What we like? This pack offers a huge variety of cute squishy toys. If you need a lot of small gifts for a party or classroom, this is a great option. The soft, fun designs will be a hit with kids of all ages. What people say? These little squishy toys are great for kids' goodie bags. The kids really love them. Each squish is individually wrapped, which keeps them clean to store for a while. So many different cute animals and bright colors with a good variety for the littles to choose from and play with while they wait. These squishies are just perfect for little gifts. They come individually wrapped, which is lovely. They're not overly sticky, and are easy to clean. They're perfect size and very soft. Number 3. Moj Moj Claw Machine Playset. Get ready for fun. Let's open up this amazing claw machine and see what's inside. It's filled with surprises. This claw machine has 3 joysticks, giving you total control to grab those prizes. It's so easy to use. Listen to the exciting arcade sounds and watch the lights flash as you play. It really brings the arcade experience home. You'll find 6 surprise packs inside, ready to be won. What amazing squishy toys will you discover? Once you've won all the initial prizes, it's easy to refill it with your own squishy toys. The fun never ends. The claw machine is ready for action. Let the games begin. Hours of fun await you. What we like. It's a fun claw machine playset with lights, sounds, and multiple surprises. If you're looking for a unique and interactive toy, this one is a winner. Plus, you can refill it with your own squishies for endless play. What people say. The claw functions very well, but it moves slowly. The claw is moved up and down, and open shut, with a thin chain. It is working very well. Lifts up the eggs without a problem. Catches a prize 9-10 times. Number 2. Insnug Sensory Toy Squishy. It's the newest, upgraded squishy toy. Its smooth surface and slow-rising material are perfect for stress relief and creative fun. These jumbo-sized squishies are incredibly soft and squishy. The non-toxic material is durable and safe for kids. Everything you need is included: 6 large dessert squishies, paint, glitter, sprinkles, and more. It's ready for hours of creative play. It's a fun and engaging DIY project that makes a great gift. Kids will love creating and playing with these realistic-smelling treats. Buy with confidence. We offer a 12-month guarantee, and the package even includes extra supplies. What we like. This kit lets you paint your own jumbo-sized dessert squishies. If you enjoy creative activities and love sweet treats, you'll adore this. The large size and realistic scents make it extra fun and satisfying. What people say. There is 6 different kind of squishies along with so much stuff to decorate with. The squishies are nice and good-sized. They have a very pleasant sweet smell, like frosting. This is a really great squishy starter kit. A good assortment of brushes. Paints are the primary colors, white and brown, and should be just barely enough to do all of the pieces included. The Squishies are the super squishy kind and are well made. Number 1. Squishy Maker Refill Kit. Get ready for hours of fun creating your own unique squishy toys. This kit has everything you need to make 10 personalized stress balls. You'll find balloons, colorful gel beads, sparkles, foam particles, and cable ties. It's a complete crafting experience. Simply add water to the included materials, and let your imagination run wild. It's so simple, even kids can do it. These squishy stress balls are great for keeping little hands busy and minds focused, whether at home or on the go. Squeeze, squish, and stretch away stress and anxiety. It's a fun and therapeutic way to unwind. Use them as home decor, party favors, or even as unique plant decorations. The possibilities are endless. What we like. It's a complete DIY kit to make your own stress balls. If you want a fun, hands-on project and a customizable stress reliever, this is it. You can easily refill it with more materials to keep the fun going. What people say. Works great. They held up great. No leaking. The balloons are great quality, which is the most important part. The balloons are made of thick, durable material. My students were walking around with these, squeezing them all day for a couple weeks, and they didn't pop. Great sensory toy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.